An 80 kilogram electrically heated washing machine with a 60% load uses around 656 litres per hour and 21.37 kilowatts per hour. If we incorporate the weighing system, we are saving 30% in water and 23% in electricity, leaving us with a total of 459.2 litres and 16.45 kilowatts per hour, therefore saving us 196.8 litres and 4.92 kilowatts. Suppose that a standard laundry with 3 80 kilogram washing machines works with a 60% load, 16 hours a day and 300 days a year. If we have that the price of energy is 0.3 kilowatts per hour and the price of water is €3 per cubic metre, we are saving €21,254.4 in energy and €8,501.76 in water, a total of about €29,756.16 per year just with the incorporation of the weighing system.